This is what we will do end of this video. In terms of not being confused, I decided to make a bit of commentary on what I'm doing. I tried to explain and write code before, but it was difficult, so I will just make comments. I simply added the Bootstrap 5 CSS and JavaScript to my page. Also, I have my main CSS file. It includes only two root colors and styles on the body to place our processing steps in the center of the page. I will basically go to Bootstrap 5 page and copy collapse accordion example inside my container. I start by moving the buttons to the top. Inside new creating step item class, it doesn't cause any problem. I speed up some places a little because I did the same thing. So let's remove unnecessary class and texts from buttons and add our new class. I also want to delete unnecessary parts from down there. Our steps will be displayed as flags and justified as space between. This will basically do the job to present them horizontally. I wanted to make circle buttons, so I will add 50% border radius for it. Also, I will add background color from root colors. Now it's time to add our HTML5 progress bar. I'm basically making process bars with 100%, making its position absolute because it will remain under the buttons. I need to also make step class, a parent class, relative because I don't want it to be overflowed. I'm adding z-index because background color sometimes goes above it. To prevent that, I simply add z-index both item and process. So I need to manipulate Boolean styles. For this, we will use WebKit properties. With doing this, I can change background color and add transition. And to make them work, I need to use this WebKit appearance. I actually don't know how it works, but it makes animation work. Now it's time to add our script. I will take all buttons and add them click event listener. At each click, our progress bar's value will be manipulated. I am using this method for adding event listener to every object in class. It's just one line and really simple. We create array from our class and loop them with for each. I will change the value of progress bar with each click. Set attribute to simply do the job. Since there are 3 elements, if I multiply it with 50, it will work fine for 3 steps. In order to make it work with 4 and 5 steps, I will use length of our buttons. Actually, video ends here, but I wanted to add some styles, so you can keep going. We can select active element with using built-in Bootstrap attributes. Also adding some transitions will be fine. It looks fine. I want to make it clear that the buttons before I clicked were also done. So I will add done class to previous siblings of the clicked button. I can achieve this with for each method again. Every time click event occurs, I will add previous buttons done class. Also I need to remove done class if you clicked one of the previous buttons. So this is my solution. Thank you for watching. I also want to make another video uh, with the version of pure CSS. You can stay if you want to add titles to steps.